Yeah, good evening. Second assignment, how many people completed? Just raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And online students? 8. So 5, 8. 13 members. See, if I give assignment, at least you have to try. Whether you get or not, leave it. I'll explain anyhow. Anyhow, I'll explain. But you have to try. If I explain means everything if I explain, you'll not get a programming skills. You have to try. If you don't get, I'll teach actually. Okay, but you have to try. How many people tried at least 5 programs? How many people completed at least 5 programs? Okay. I think remaining people not yet started also, I think. Not yet started also, I think. So only attending classes not enough. Attending classes not enough. Only attending classes not enough. Okay. This is only assignment 2, no? So long back I given this one. Long back. Long back I given this assignment. Okay, see. Say, write a program to check whether given number is palindrome or not. Say, if the number is like this, if you reverse the number, same number comes now again, it is called palindrome. If you reverse the number, again same number comes, that is called palindrome. How to write? You studied. Before this, you studied some programs to reverse. Suppose int a equal to one number. Now, if you want to reverse, what you have to do? While a greater than 0. While a greater than 0. Now 2442 greater than 0. Okay. Now integer b. Here b equal to a. What do you write? A modulo division 10. What is the b value now? 2. B value 2. 2 comes. Already reverse program is studied now. Then what you will do? Something reverse. Reverse equal to 0. Here, what we have to write? Reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus b. Now after this, a equal to a by 10 over. Now reverse comes no. That reverse if you compare with a, but a it will become 0. That is the reason one temporary variable you have to take. Suppose it's temporary equal to a. If it is matched, if a reverse equal to temporary variable, then it is palindrome. System.out.println given number is palindrome. Else given number is not palindrome. Say file, save. I'll compile. Java say demo.java. Java demo. See, given number is palindrome. See, once I'll explain, just listen. See, first of all, A value 2442. Okay, A value 2442. Now B. After that, reverse. Reverse value 0. Reverse value 0. After that, temporary variable. Something temporary variable. That is A. Nothing but 2442. So A value 2442. A value 2442. B value I didn't initialize. Reverse equal to 0. Temporary equal to again A value. A greater than 0. First A greater than 0. Then what will happen? 2442 greater than 0. It is true. Then it will enter. B equal to A modulo division 10. 2442 modulo division 10. What will get it? 2. So B value 2. Reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus B. Reverse is 0. 0 into 10, 0. 0 plus B, 2. So it will become 2. It will become 2. After this, A equal to A by 10. 2442 by 10. What will get it? 244. After this, again it is executed. No? Again it is executed. So A greater than 0. 244 greater than 0. It is true. Okay. Then B equal to A modulo division 10. 244 modulo division 10. What will you get it? 244 modulo division 10. You'll get a 4. It will be 4. Next, reverse into 10 plus B. Reverse is 2. 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. It will be 24. Okay. After this, again A greater than 0. Here, first A equal to A by 10. A by 10, 24. Here 24 greater than 0. Again true. Again true. 24 greater than 0. B equal to A modulo division 10. 24 modulo division 10. What do you get it? 4. So it will again it is 4. Now reverse into 10 plus B. 24 into 10, 240. 240 plus 4, 244. So 244. A equal to A by 10. 24 by 10. What will you get? 2. Again 2 greater than 0. 2 greater than 0. It is true. Then 2 percentile 10. 2 percentile 10. Now what will you get it? 2 percentile 10. You'll get a 2. It will become 2. 244 into 10 plus B. This is 2442. Now A equal to A by 10. 0. 0 greater than 0. 0 greater than 0. False. Stopped. Then reverse. 244. Temporary variable. 2442. Temporary variable. 2442. Same. Then given number is palindrome. Okay. Write it. Program to check whether given number is palindrome or not. Program to check whether given number is palindrome or not. Program to check whether given number is palindrome or not. Program to check whether given number is palindrome or not. Over. See, one digit will separate, will reverse. Again, if you get a same number, that is palindrome. Okay. Is it over? See, next. Write a program to check whether given number is Armstrong number or not. See, Armstrong number is suppose 153. Here also what you have to do? 1 cube, 5 cube, 3 cube. 1 cube, 5 cube, 3 cube. 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. If we calculate. Now 1 cube, 1. 5 cube, 125. 3 cube, at last total 153. It is called Armstrong number. Okay. Now see. So almost here also like little bit different. Suppose 153. Okay. Now here A greater than B. Here what you have to do? You have to calculate total here. Total equal to 0. Okay. Now total equal to total plus this B cube you have to calculate. So what you can do? B into B cube over. Now if it is total double equal to temporary variable. See, one digit comes, the digit cube calculated added to total. If it is equal to again temporary variable, given number is Armstrong. Else not an Armstrong number. That's it. Okay. See, first date, last date comes 3. 3 comes here. 3 cube calculated, added to total. Next to 5 comes. 5 cube calculated, added to total. Next to 1 comes. 1 cube calculated, added to total. At last this A will become 0. A will become 0. That is the reason one temporary variable. This total, if it is matched to temporary variable, given number is an Armstrong number. File, save. See, compilation. Here semicolon missed. File, save. Compilation. See, given number is an Armstrong number. Write this one. These are actually C language. They are nothing but C language actually. C language program in Java like. That's it. Because in Java, we use libraries. The library part I'll start today after this assignment. Because Java means library. You have to use library, everything library you have to use. This type of program only to improve logical skills. Is it over? See here, first this number is greater than 0. So until it becomes 0, it will iterate. Last digit 3 comes. That 3 cube calculated, added to total. Later again 5 comes, added to total. Later 1 comes, added to total. At last total and temporary variable, if it is same, Armstrong number. We cannot compare with A because A is going to become 0 here. At last A will become 0. That is the reason one temporary variable I am taking. Okay. Next, see, write a program to display all Armstrong numbers between 1 and 1000. Then what you have to do? One loop you have to write. This one, write a program to display Armstrong number given interval. It is fixed 1 to 1000. Here, whatever you want, you can write. Okay. Next, write a program to display factorial of given number. Factorial. See, integer a equal to 5. Integer a equal to 5. 5 means 5 factorial. 5 to 1, you have to multiply. Or 1 to 5, you have to multiply. So 5 to 1 or 1 to 5. Reverse also you can multiply. So what you have to write? Give me answer. 5 to 1 or 1 to 5. You have to multiply. Now one loop you have to write. Either for loop or while loop. For integer, I equal to 1. I less than or equal to A. I plus plus. I plus plus. Here. Into B equal to 1. Here. B equal to B into I. Over. Then system dot out dot println B. Okay. See, it is 1 to given number multiplied. Okay. Now B equal to B into I. So first B value 1. 1 into 1. 1 will be there. Next 2 comes. 1 into 2. 2 comes. Next 3 will be there. 2 into 3. 6. Next 4 comes. 6 into 4. 24. Next 5. 6. 24 into 5. 120. See. File. save, compilation, execution. 5 factorial 120. Write this one. This is program to display factorial of a given number. Program to display factorial of a given number. Program to display factorial of a given number. Is it over? Next. See, write a program to check whether given number is strong number or not. Strong number is 145. 145, 1 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial. 1 factorial, 1. 24, 4 factorial, 24. 5 factorial, 120. At last, 145. That is strong number. What we have to do? This number, one digit, we have to divide. That digit factorial you have to calculate. So you have to add. See. First, integer a equal to 145. How to separate digits? You have seen, no, many times you have seen. What do you write? While a greater than 0. Next, b equal to a modulo division 10. Next, a equal to a by 10. This is only separating logic, no? Separating digits. This separating digits. Now, this here, this is separating logic. First 145. 145 greater than 0. True. Here 5 comes. Next it will become 14. Next to 4 comes. It will become 1. 1 comes. It will become 0. Stop it. This factorial we have to calculate now. This factorial. B factorial. B factorial if you want to calculate, just now you have seen logic. What we have to write? For integer I equal to 1. I less than or equal to B. I plus plus. One more variable you take. C equal to C into B. But C value 1. This is C also, I'll declare here. It is calculated factorial. This is we have to add to total, no? Total. Total. After calculating factorial, total equal to total plus C. Total equal to 0. Over. Now, this 145 you have to check, but temporary variable required. Temporary equal to A. If total equal to temporary, if total double equal to temporary variable, then Given number is strong number. Given number is strong number. Else given number is not a strong number. See, file save. If I compile, given number is 1 minute, not a strong number. 1 minute here, total case. First A value C multiplied with B, C equal to what is it? C into I. Okay. Here B are written. Okay. C into I. File save. Say compilation, execution. Okay. Now this tracing you observe, tracing. First A value 145. B, C, total, temporary. Now temporary also 145. Total is 0. Total is 0. Temporary variable also 145. Now you observe A greater than 0. 145 greater than 0. 145 greater than 0. It is true. Then B equal to A modulo division 10. What is the B value? In this line, what is the B value? 5. So B value 5. Now this will calculate factorial. Then 5 factorial calculated. What is C value? 120. Complete factorial. 5 factorial. This will calculate factorial. At last result is 120. Total equal to total plus C. 0 plus 120, 120. Okay. After this, A equal to A by 10. 145 by 10. 145 by 10, 14. Next, 14 greater than 0. 14 greater than 0, true. Then B equal to A modulo division 10. 14 modulo division 10, 4. B value 4. It will calculate factorial of 4. What is the factorial of 4? 24. It will be 24. Total equal to total plus C. 120 plus 24, 144. A equal to A by 10. What is it? 1. It is 1. 1 greater than 0, true. 1 greater than 0, true. 1 greater than 0, true. Okay. After this, 1 modulo division 10. What do you get it? 1. 1 factorial, 1. 1 plus total, 145. After that, A equal to A by 10, 0. A by 10, 0. 0 greater than 0, false. Stop it. Now, total is 145. Temp is 145. That's what given number is strong number. Now, ready, son? If total double equal to temp, here whatever is there, I'll write here. If total double equal to temp, system.out.println, given number is strong number. else. Given number is not a strong number. This is a main clause. This is class clause. So again here what we are doing, digits we are separating, calculating factorial, adding to total. That's it. We are separating digits, calculating factorial, adding to total. Is it over? These are without library. Now next with library will be their assignments. Okay, because actually Java is that one. This is C language. Without library means C language like. With library, Java. Object-oriented programming logic. That is Java. See here, one digit separated. That factorial calculated, added to total. That's it. One digit separated. That factorial calculated, added to total. If it is equal to given number, it is strong number. Otherwise, not a strong number. Over. See. This is only a written with Zoom it software. Total equal to temp. Given number is strong number. Given number is not a strong number. Now, this one. Write a program to display all strong numbers between 1 and 1000. What you do? This is one you are write in one loop. That's it. Write a program to display all strong number given interval. 1 to 1000 place. Whatever you want, you can write. Okay. Next, write a program to display Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. First 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 8, 13. 8 plus 13, 21. 31, 13 plus 21, 34. 21 plus 34, Like this, it will go. Like this. Next, 34 plus 55. Like that. Okay. This is Fibonacci series. Now, these two you have to add. One more number comes. These two you have to add. One more number. These two you have to add. One more number. That is called Fibonacci series. Okay. Now, I'll explain. Okay. See, if I teach each and everything, you will never get a logical skills. You have to try. At least these programs, without seeing the notebook, you do it. Okay. I taught her. Without seeing the notebook. You try it without seeing the notebook. Now, you observe. What we have to do? We have to take two numbers. Integer a equal to 0. B equal to 1. Next, C equal to, we have to add these two. What do you write? Suppose C. Here A equal to 0, starting number. Next number B. C. C, what you have to do now? C equal to A plus B. After this value you have to copy in A. This value you have to copy in B. That's it. What you have to do? A equal to B. B equal to C. This is you have to rotate. Number of times. Suppose 10 times I want to rotate. 10 times. I plus plus. This is rotated. This is rotated. You print the A value. System dot out dot println A. Over. See, I'll show you. With tracing, I'll show you. Compilation. File, save. See, it came no. Suppose 20 times you want 20. 20 times. Now, you observe what is there. First, what is the A value? 0. What is the B value? 1. Now, C. I didn't initialize. Okay. This is only for iterating. I am not using I. In the program, I am not using I, you observe. Only number of times iterating. So, first A value 0. B value 1. C value year. A plus B. 0 plus 1. 1. System dot out dot println A. What is printed? 0 printed. Okay, 0 printed. A equal to B. What is A value? This is copied here. It will be 1. B equal to C. This C copied here. Again 1 only, no? Again 1. After this, again, it will rotate. So C equal to A plus B. 1 plus 1, 2. It is 2. System dot out dot println A. What is there? 1. Now after this, A equal to B. This B copied in A. Again 1. B equal to C. It is copied here. 2. 1 plus 2. It is 3. A printed. A printed. What is printed? 1 only printed again. 1 printed. After that, A equal to B. It is copied here. 2. B equal to C. It is copied here. 2 plus 3. 5. What is printed? 2 printed. Again, this is copied here. 3. This is copied here. 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Now 3 printed. This 5 copied here. 5. This 8 copied here. 8. This 8 plus 5, 13. What is printed? 5. Like this only iterated. 20 times iterated. Alright, this one. This is called Fibonacci series. Is it over? It is second assignment. At least these programs, without seeing the notebook, you try again. Okay, without seeing the notebook. One more assignment I'll post in Google Classroom. Okay, check it out. Third assignment I'll post. Fourth assignment onwards, library. With library. Third assignment, pattern program I'll place. Fourth assignment, library. Now, our continuation, whatever topics last Saturday, what you studied, packages. Package completed. Now, if I give one task, for that task, which method required, which class required, which package required, if I give, any program you can write now, it is possible. That practice purpose only, topic, string handling. Now note down. Next topic, string handling. Note down. There are 4 string related classes to handle strings. First one, java.lang.string. Second one, java.lang.string buffer. Third one, java.lang.string builder. Fourth one, java.util.string tokenizer. String handling topic. There are 4 string related classes to handle strings. First one, java.lang.string. Second one, java.lang.string buffer. Third one, java.lang.string builder. Fourth one, java.util.string tokenizer. So it a class name. Each word first letter capital. S capital, B capital, S capital, T capital, write clearly. It is package. It is sub package. It is class. Package, sub package, class. Package, sub package, class. Each word first letter capital for class. No space between words. String tokenizer. S capital, T capital. No space. String builder. S capital, B capital. No space. Write clearly. See, if you want to perform any operation on strings, no need to write any logic. We have a library methods. With that, we can do it. Suppose you want to convert lowercase letters to uppercase or uppercase letter to lowercase or counting number of words or counting number of characters and how many times the string is occurred, how many times that character is occurred, and if you want to remove extra spaces at the beginning, if you want to remove extra spaces at the end, like this, if you want to compare two strings, both are equal or not, if you want to concatenate, these all library methods are there. No need to write any logic. But what are the methods are there? If you want to see at the command prompt, we can see. Next, write it. Java P. It is a JDK tool and it is used to get the profile of a class or interface. It is a JDK tool and it is used to get the profile of a class or interface. See, you studied Java C, you studied Java. Java C is a JDK tool. For compilation purpose we are writing. Java is a JDK tool for launching Java program, running Java program. Like that, Java P. It is one more JDK tool for getting profile. What is profile? Profile contains list of variables, comma, methods and constructors. Profile contains list of variables, methods and constructors. Profile contains list of variables, methods and constructors. Example, at the command prompt, Java P space java.lang.string. You have to type. It shows a list of variables, methods and constructors of java.lang.string class. So at the command prompt, Java P space java.lang.string. If you write, it shows the list of variables, methods and constructors of java.lang.string class. It shows the list of variables, methods and constructors of java.lang.string class. Now see. So just a Java P, after that package name, subpackage name, class name. If you type, that class profile comes. Variables, methods, constructors, all are going to be displayed. Now you observe. Is it over? See, at the command prompt, Java P, java.lang.string. If I write, string class profile comes. Here you observe. Here, see the complete class structure also showing. See here, compiled from string.java. So it is string.java one file from that compiled. That is compiled. Public, final, class, it is class. implements this interface, this interface, this interface, this interface. 5 interfaces implemented. It is variable. It is variable. It is variable. It is variable. These are constructors. Yeah, class name, method name same means constructor, no? Constructors. After that, methods. Up to here, constructors. After that, here onwards, methods. Methods. Here, static block. Okay. If Java P not recognized, you are getting error means you need to set the path. See, if you are getting Java P not recognized, then what you have to do is open File Explorer, this PC, C drive, program files, Java, JDK, bin. This is you have to copy. This path. See where it install Java. C drive, program files, Java, JDK 17, like whatever is their version, that version, bin. This is we have to set the path. Path setting starting again, that path. That path you have to set. So you have to open environment variables. Here. Path. Edit. You can paste. Here you can paste. Okay. This is already starting session I given while teaching first program. That notes also is there in a Google Classroom. You can check it out. Okay. Now let this profile comes. Let this profile comes. Now Java P, java.lang.string buffer. See, string buffer profile. Java P, java.lang.string builder. String builder profile. Java P, java.util.string tokenizer. String tokenizer profile. But it shows variables, methods, classes. Variables, methods, constructors. But this method what purpose? This method what purpose? If you want to understand, description not there. The description available in internet. Next, write it. Descriptions of variables, methods, and constructors is available in Java API documentation. Java API, Application Programming Interface. Documentation. So descriptions of variables, methods, and constructors is available in Java API documentation. The documentation available in internet. See how to open documentation, I'll show you. Present not required, because every description I'll give. Present not required. After getting a job, that is required. Descriptions of variables, methods, and constructors is available in Java API documentation. Application Programming Interface documentation. Library, nothing but we are calling like a API. It is another terminology. Java library only we are calling like a Java API. Because for developing applications, language required, library required. That's what, see, if you want to develop any application, that language required. First of all, language required. So programming language required. That language library also required. Okay. This library, it is an interface between application and programming language. That is the reason library called as application programming interface. If you want to develop application, only language not enough. Suppose if you want to sort these 10 numbers, you'll write the logic. But like that, sorting you can write, searching you can write. hashing you can write. But suppose my task is I want to send data Hyderabad to US. Can you write the logic? Not possible, no? That is library required. My task is I want to send data Hyderabad to US. What will write logic? You cannot write, no? That's what library required. That library compulsory required. This library is an interface between application and programming language. That's what library called as application programming interface. This documentation, if you open in a Google, you'll get it. See, in a Google, you can type Java API documentation. If you type, here it is 7th version API, 11th version. See, 19 version not there, 18 is there. 18. See, 18 version library documentation. Okay, it is docs.oracle.com or here Java JDK 18 documentation. It is also okay. It is also okay. If you click documentation part, here it comes. Okay, here it is Java documentation, totally changed here. 18 little bit changed. Okay, that one I'll open this link. Here directly API comes. See here modules. First one Java base. If you click here packages. See java.lang. Now like this, how many packages are there? See java.io description. So description. Java.lang description, java.lang.annotation description. Like this, so many are there. Okay, here if you click lang in this class, in this package, again if you scroll down, if you scroll down here, classes, interfaces, all classes and all interfaces, only classes, enumerations, exceptions, annotations. See. Now, if you scroll down, alphabetical order, suppose string class required in alphabetical order, string. See, if you click, just if you scroll down, here, this variable purpose, constructor purpose, constructor. See, whatever is displayed at the command prompt, that is only here. See. Java P, java.lang.string. Here, whatever is there, you observe, that is only will be there here also. See, suppose this is a constructor. This constructor. See, this constructor. The purpose, description. Second one, byte array. See, it is byte array. Byte array. Here, this one. Here second. It is second one. You observe. It is byte array integer. This is third one. Byte array integer is this one. The order may be somewhat different, alphabetical order. Here all constructors came, but here first bytes came, later character came. In this documentation, in alphabetical order. See, later characters came, but they're mixed. Number of parameters came. So let us consider every constructor description. See, suppose if you click on this method very depth. Okay, present this documentation not required, because which method required I'll give, which class required I'll give, which package required I'll give. With that, try to write programs only. Try to write program. Because as a beginner, this documentation, you cannot search also. Some experience required to search. Okay. This after getting a job, if any task if they give, you have to search in this documentation. You have to see the library. You have to call the methods. That type. Now, as a beginner, present not required, I'll give. See. Now, suppose you want to perform some task on strings. Complete Java library, no need to search. Only these 4 classes enough. If you want to perform any task on strings, only these 4 classes you can search like that. But before going to this library, you should know about something string. String, very depth knowledge required first. But strings I didn't touch in previous classes. That is first I'll explain. Say about strings. Now, every string literal itself an object of string class. Every string literal itself an object of string class. Every string literal itself an object of string class. Note? Every string literal itself an object of string class. You studied already literals. How many categories of literals are there in Java? How many? 6. Starting you studied 6 categories. What are those? Integer literals, floating point literals, character literals, string literals, Boolean literals, object literal. Okay. 6 categories of literals. String literal only object. Integer literal is not an object. Float literal is not an object. Character literal is not an object. Boolean literal is not an object. Even object literal also not an object. Okay. Object literal also not an object. The name is object literal, but it is not object. Okay. Every string literal itself an object of string class. Example. You studied string must be in double quotes, no? String literal. Suppose if you write welcome, welcome is an object of string class. Example, welcome is an object of string class. 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 See, string, can I call it as a class? It is class only. Okay. Can I call it a data type? Yes or no? Yes. It is reference data type. Write it. String is a class and it can also be called as reference data type. String is a class and it can also be called as reference data type. String is a class and it can also be called as reference data type. Say, suppose class string, class demo. If you want to create object, what will write? Demo, D equal to new demo. You'll write like this. Here, what is D? Object reference. But where is object? Right side object created. Right side object created. That is referred by D. So D is not an object. D is an object reference. Okay. Right side new constructor. It creates object. That object referred by D. Okay. Right side object created. That object referred by D. Like that we are calling. But suppose here, if I write like this, string S1 equal to welcome. I'm writing. Okay. Now, string S2 equal to new string. I'm writing. Now here also constructors are there. See, which will take, it's empty. It doesn't take any parameter. It will take one more string. It will take one more string, no? No. Suppose I'll write here, hello. I'll write. Now think yourself and give me answer. With that knowledge, give me answer. Whatever I start up to here, with that knowledge only give me answer. What's the difference between this first one and second one? Whatever you know, give me answer. First one, second one. String is a class also, string is a data type also. Second one is class, first one is data type. You can call first one also data type, second one also data type, first one also class, second one also class. Whatever it may be, whatever I taught, with that knowledge, give me answer. This one. What's the difference? Which one? Here object is not there. In this line, object is there or not? Yes or no? Where is object? Welcome is object. Welcome is, just now you studied, no? Here only given. Welcome is an object of string class. Now, so in this line, object is there or not? Yes, we have object. Now give me answer. What's the difference? Whatever you know, that is try to give answer. Which one? Here welcome is object. In a new constructor means object created. Next. What is that? Here two objects are there. Hello also object. Hello itself object, no? So here object, it is hello itself object, but it is one more object created. Got a point? So in this line, one object created. In this line, two objects created. Okay? Here also object is there. Here also objects, but two objects are there. Two objects. Okay? Now, both are not same. In this line, how many objects created? One object created. In this line, how many objects created? Two objects created. Hello itself object. New constructor means one more object created. So there is a lot of difference. Now, you observe, if you write like this, if you write like this and if you write like this, internal structure I'll explain. Now, here, welcome is one object. The welcome is an object. Okay? It is string object. This object referred by S1. Referred by S1. Like this. Okay? Here, hello itself object. It is string object. This object contains hello. But new constructor means one more object created. One more string object created. What I did, this hello, I pass it to this object, no? So it will come here. It is hello. This object referred by S2. This object referred by S2. But here, this is created, it's on memory block. It is called string constant pool. String constant pool. This is created in a string constant pool, but this is outside the pool. string constant pool. It's on memory block in a heap area. So year created, one is inside the pool created, one is outside the pool created. But your doubt is inside or outside, whatever it may be, but two objects created. But what is the need of this constant pool concept? I'll explain. If you write like this, in a constant pool, duplicates are not allowed. With that only some logic is there. First you write this one. This statement creates one string object in a string constant pool. This statement creates two string objects. One object created in string constant pool and one more created outside the pool. This statement creates two string objects. One object created in string constant pool and one more created outside the pool. One more point, note. Duplicates are not created in string constant pool. Not created. Duplicates are not created in string constant pool. That's what hello welcome I given. I didn't give one more welcome. I'll explain. It will take half an hour to explain. That tomorrow class I'll explain. It will take more time to explain. In tomorrow class I'll explain. This statement creates two string objects in the brackets, one object created in string constant pool and one more created outside the pool. One more object created outside the pool. It is inside the pool, it is outside the pool. Duplicates are not created in string constant pool. I'll explain. It is not completed. Actually, it will take more time to explain. So string S1 equal to welcome if you write one object created in string constant pool. That's it. String S2 equal to new string hello if you write two objects created. One is created inside the pool, one is created outside the pool. I'll ask some question, give me answer. What S1 contains? What is it? Hash code. What S2 contains? Hash code only. It is hash code only. Here also hash code, here also hash code. It is also hash code, it is also hash code. But if I print S1, it won't print hash code. It will print welcome. Now, if it is other class, other than string, demo D equal to new demo. D if you print, you'll get hash code. But this one if you print, welcome comes. But it contains hash code only. How? That is in tomorrow class. Tomorrow class I'll explain. It contains hash code only. But if I try to print system.out.println S1, you'll get a welcome. You'll not get hash code. Even here also, system.out.println S2, you'll get a hello. You'll not get hash code. Okay. That is, it will take half an hour to explain. In tomorrow class, I'll explain. Okay. Tomorrow class, I'll explain. So this here one object created, here two objects created. That that is not completed. Tomorrow class I'll explain. It is just introduction I given. Tomorrow we'll see continuation.